Water, the essence of life. Its flowing beauty elevated by design and delivered with personality. The bathroom, a space of intimacy and retreat, where exceptional water experiences reflect your unique taste and style. Distinctive faucets and showers brought to life in Germany's Black Forest with unrivaled quality and craftsmanship. Your personal idea of luxury, expressed in exclusive finishes, select materials, and the possibility to customize every detail to your individual desire. Iconic objects, conceived by world-renowned designers, for bathrooms and kitchens that reflect your personality.